What was it really like to live in the past? No phones, no Netflix, no washing machines. These people are going to live in the past for a TV show.
What do you think you're going to miss the most?
TV.
TV. Are you a big TV fan?
Their first morning living in the past. And it's Deborah Griffiths' birthday as well.
Hello, Mrs. Griffiths. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, darling.
There is no electricity or gas, only a fire in the kitchen. It's used for cooking and heating.
It's really nice fire there now.
The fire also heats water for washing. There is no bathroom in the house. They wash in the kitchen. It's time for shopping. Here, the shop comes to them.
Sweets are 2p a bag, or if you want a nice bar of chocolate, 5 pennies.
For eggs, they keep chickens. The chickens are fun to play with, but they are not really pets. It's time to prepare for Deborah's birthday. It is not easy to buy presents, cards or cakes, so they have to make them. People in the past needed to be good at making things themselves. With no electricity, they have only candles to light up the night. And with no phones or computers, they make their own music.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Living in the past is not always easy. But the families learn that sometimes life without technology can bring people closer together.